Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a top knot bun. So if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now to begin creating the bun, I'm going to put my hair into 3 sections, one in front, which I'm going to tie into a bun, and then the 2 sections behind. So what I'm doing now is just spritzing the roots of my hair with some water to keep it moisturized. I like to always spritz my hair with water before I make any style. Now I'm going to apply some Eco Styler olive oil gel, and I'll just keep applying until it's enough for me, and then I'll proceed to brushing the hair. This style entails a lot of brushing and holding together, so keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. I'll be explaining every other step that I find necessary. I'm taking down the hair tie that I use for the bun at the top so that I can add the hair at the back together with that in front to create a single bun. This could be a cute style, but that's not what we are going for right now. So let's continue creating the bun. I'm tying down my hair with a satin scarf to avoid flyaways, and I'll take it down when my hair is dry or when I think my hair is dry. So it's been 30 minutes and I think my hair is dry now, so I'm going to take out the scarf to reveal the results. And here are the results after my hair is dry. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, and leave a comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.